Hey kids, it's Mr. Robinson here, and today we're going to talk. We're going to get into addition, this time with bigger numbers, and I'll get into that. So we know how to do simple addition after watching the first video, but in this video, we're going to work more with, like I said before, bigger numbers. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. I'm going to change my color, and we're going to work on. The first one we're going to work on is 50 plus 50. Okay, now these are two big numbers. These are two big numbers, but that's okay because we're going to Mr. Robinson and all of us together are going to work through this problem, okay? So I'm going to set it up like this right here. Like a column, like a tower in a way, okay? All right. So we're going to do one at a time and we're going to go from right to left. Okay. All right. So listen, 0 plus 0. So I'm going to highlight that. 0 plus 0. Well, that equals 0. Okay. So boom, we're going to put that right here. 5 plus 5. I'm going to use a different highlighter. That's 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 0 right here, put this 1 up here and carry it down. And so that's going to give me the total of 100. Now I want to kind of explain a little bit. I want to kind of explain what I just did. So I did 0 plus 0 right here. That gave me 0. 5 plus 5, that gave me 10. And I put this 1 up here to get in the habit of carrying down numbers, okay? And when we get to another problem, you'll see what I'm talking about. You could have just did 5 plus 5 right here and then just wrote a 10 right here. But Mr. Robinson did it that way just to show you that in cases like this, sometimes you're going to have to bring a number up and you'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see what I'm talking about, though. And so let's go to another one, because it's so much easier when I explain through examples. But I did that. I put that 1 up there. I put that 1 up there right here because I'm going to carry this down right here. That's why I did that. But you could also have not did it that way, and you could have just put the 10. Hold on. You could have just put the 10 right here and just wrote it out 1, 0, and you still would have got 100. But Mr. Robinson just put the 1 up there to carry it down. But both ways work. Both ways work. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, this next one, we're going to do 100 plus 25. Okay, that 100 is kind of it's a big number, but that's okay, though, because we're going to get this. Okay, 100 plus 25. Okay, now remember, we go from right to left. Okay, so that's very important. We're going to go from right to left. So I'm going to highlight that L right there. Let me make that a better looking L. That L means left and that R means right. We're going from right to left. Okay, so let's go and let's answer this. Let's solve this problem. So 0 plus 5, that's 5. 0 plus 2, that's 2. And we're just going to carry down this 1 right here because there's nothing here. Because hold on, let me right here, as you can see right here. Let me get another highlighter. Yep, there's nothing right here. So since there's nothing right here below this 1, we're just going to carry that 1 down and put it right here, and we have 125 as our answer. Okay. And in a situation like that, all you do is just carry it down. All you do is just carry it down because there's nothing to add it to. So you just carry it down and it's a part of your solution and you get 125. Okay, let's try. Okay, this one right here may be a little difficult, but that's okay because we got this. We got this. Number 3, 48 plus 49. Okay, there's no zeros in this. There's no zeros in this, but that's okay. This is what we're going to do like we did with the last two. We're going to stack up our numbers like a tower. We're going to stack up our numbers. All right. So here we got 8 plus 9. Okay, so I'm going to highlight, because like I said before, we're going to go from right to left. 8 plus 9. Okay. All right. Well, 8 plus 9, let's see, I'm counting using my fingers. We have counting from 9, we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, okay? So we have 17. So since we have 17, okay, so let me write this to the side. 8 plus 9 equals 17. So since that's 17, what we're going to do is we're going to put this second digit right here. And this first digit right here, this is going to go here. Okay? So now we're going to do 4 plus 4 plus 1. So let's do that. So 4 plus 4. Okay, 4 plus 4, that's 8. Plus 1 is 9. And we're going to pull that down. Oh, well, we're going to do all this right here. So think of boom, and then put a plus sign there. And we're going to get 97. So we got 97 there. Okay, because 9 plus 8 is 17. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus this 1 right here, that's going to give me 97. Okay, and so that is how we're going to do that one. And this one was a little trickier than the last one. This was definitely a little trickier than the last one, but that's okay because we're going to get math problems like that. We're going to get math problems like that, and that's fine, all right? We just got to remember that for a math problem like this one right here, this has a little more steps to it. It's a little more difficult than with ones with just zeros in it, but we can still do it and get the job done, okay? We're going to do one more that's similar to this one. Okay, so let me erase. All right. Oh, let me erase this 3 too. Okay. So we have 37 plus, oh, hold on. Let me not start my tower yet. 37 plus 51. All right. Hold on. Mr. Robinson is going to make that plus sign a little better. I did it again. Okay. All right. There we go. Do my equal sign. All right. 37 plus 51. Okay, so like we did with the last three, let's go ahead and make our tower. 37 plus 51. Okay. So listen, we're gonna go like we've started, like we've done with all of the other ones in this video. We're going to go from right to left. I did a 4 right here. That's not what I wanted to do. All right. Okay. So let me fix my 3 up. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the 7 and the 1. All right. So we're doing 7 plus 1. That's going to give us 8. And then let's go to the next one. I'm going to highlight the next one right here. And that's a 3 and a 5. So we're going to do 3 plus 5. And that's also going to give me 8. And so my answer here is going to be 88. Okay? So if we do these steps here for problems with bigger numbers in addition, we will get the right answer. Now, if you have to use your fingers, if you have to use tally marks, and the last video, I did my tally marks wrong. And so let me go ahead and show you for tally marks that you could do for a problem like this. So we can do, so let's see, 37 plus 51. So we could do right here, 7 plus 1. So we could do 7 tally marks. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no. Mr. Robinson messed up again. I messed up again. And here's why. Your 5th tally mark should be a slash. That's your 5th tally mark. And my slash isn't perfect, but that's your 5th tally mark, okay? And then we're going to add, oh, hold on. And then another 2. There we go. So that's 7 total tally marks here. That's 7 total tally marks. And we're just going to add 1 tally mark, and we're going to get 8 tally marks. And you can do that for also the 3 plus the 5. You can do 1, 2, 3 tally marks plus 5 tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4 slash. That's that 5. And we're going to get 8 tally marks here too. Okay? But tally marks, fingers, there's multiple ways you can do addition like this to get your answer. Always remember, though, from right to left. And don't forget to make your tower. It's, for me, for Mr. Robinson, it's fun doing math this way. And so I love making my tower, and I love seeing the numbers stacked together. So it just makes it more easy to me, and it's better for my eyes. But that's all for today, kids. And that's all today, class. Thank you so much for watching another video. And please tune in to the next video. Have a nice one.